Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So doing something a little bit differently today as we cap off the trading week, looking at stocks because earnings season is progressing nicely, especially for companies like Tesla that have added over $150 billion to their stock value. And actually, if we just take a look at the stock at the moment, we're just seeing now that price action is really favoring bulls at the moment, jumping over 22% in a single session. This is on the back of progressive outlook for 2025. Elon Musk did say that he's going to make more affordable cars into next year. This will push sales growth even further and having more of a greater market cap. So let's just put it back on the daily chart because, where we've seen Tesla before having really strong highs, we had this record peak in 2022, highest it's ever been, just above $400, but then we had quite a few stock splits. Had some interesting comments from Elon Musk along the way, which has driven the stock a bit lower. But as you can see here, in the last 24 hours, we've seen a jump quite consistent with the big breaks and gaps that we've seen in the market for Tesla. So very, very encouraging signs for the company. Where do we go from here, and where does electric vehicles go from here? Because remember, 10 years ago we had this phenomenon that by now everyone will be driving an electric vehicle, but it hasn't really happened. A lot of things have come in the way, and a lot of people just want to drive their normal cars, to be honest. So we are seeing now that we could possibly 2025 be seeing something different. So in the near term, we're just seeing now when the markets do open, if we do get a bit of a pullback on Tesla stock, let's look at the 4-hour chart at least. So as you can see here, we're just waiting to see if this gap is going to start going through, be filled. We've got something called an island gap at the moment where, we have a gap to the downside and a gap to the upside, and this creates an island with price action inside it. So we'll wait and see if we do get back into this area, but trading around $260 now. We jumped from roughly $218, $219, very, very significant jump there. And obviously on the RS side, all the MACDs, all the stochastics, we're just seeing now that prices are really getting into the groove at the moment. So it's actually been quite a phenomenon. Now I just want to take a quick look at the indices as well, because they play a major part, especially the S&P, which does list the Tesla in it. Now the S&P has been seeing these record jumps after record jump, but in the last few sessions just getting some heavy resistance just below 5,900, and now we're just seeing price action move a little bit lower. So we were obviously in store for a correction on these indices in the near term, but we'll just wait and see if we do pop a bit higher. So the next natural target is 6,000. This is where we're looking that the S&P at least is going to go in the next month or so, possibly in the next couple of weeks. Obviously we've got the non-farm payrolls next Friday, which could be quite a big indication on where the Fed is heading, if we do get progressive job numbers as well. So exciting times coming into the frame. Obviously earnings season well underway, a lot of big companies next week as well. We've had a few this week, IBM, Coca-Cola, Tesla. So we're just waiting to see where the next move is going to come, where the next big opportunity is in the market. So if you are trading stocks, just remember to focus on the earnings season calendar. We've got one on our Orbex website, and so you don't miss out anything, and just make sure that you have everything in store for the ups and possible downs that we can still make some profits on. So until next time, have a great trading weekend. Have a great weekend, have a great trading week ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.